In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on Bybit. So first what you need to do is create an account on Bybit exchange. After registering, make sure to complete your KYC verification. Once that's done, the next step is to purchase USDT stablecoin. On the Bybit platform, tap on assets and then go to funding. Be sure you have USDT available in your funding account. From there, select convert. Now choose USDT and convert it into Bitcoin. For example, 2 USDT might give you around 0.0002354 BTC. Tap on quote, then press confirm. Once the conversion is done, click on view assets to see your Bitcoin balance in your funding account. Another way to buy is through the spot market. Go to market, then in the search bar type BTC. Select the BTC USDT trading pair. Make sure you have USDT in your spot wallet. For example, you can use 2 USDT to buy Bitcoin. Tap on buy, then buy BTC. That's how you can purchase Bitcoin on Bybit using both methods. Thanks for watching.